We are at the Daytona International Speedway going to the GoBowling 235, right, Nick? GoBowling 235. We just got out of the Uber. It's gonna be interesting to see how it is with Corona and everything, because from what I understand, they're making everyone wear masks and you can't have like a cooler, so we just have like a clear box with our drinks in it. So see how the seats are.
I bet they don't.
So these seats are like VIP seats, it feels like, because this place is almost completely empty, which is kind of awesome. I'm not gonna lie. So if you look here, they're gonna be coming around right around the bend right there, because this is a street race almost. So it's not like the traditional oval track where they just go around in circles. They're gonna be coming around here and they're gonna hang around that corner and then hang all the way back there, and we're gonna see them come back around this corner. So we got some of the best seats that you could possibly ask for. So very blessed. Very empty. But we got our beers in. No complaints here.
Jeremy's been here 3 times. Now he thinks he knows everything about the place.
I know everything about this place.
I know everything.
I built this track. I'll tell you what. But very lucky. Glad to be here.
With age, you get a little bit of wisdom in that.
Brick by brick, I built this place.
When you have that feeling, you just don't do it.
And if you
It's gonna be a good time.
14 for the first time.
So I'm pulling for the Bush boys. Who are you pulling for?
I'm for Chase Elliott.
Chase Elliott.
Number 9.
Number 9. I'm for number 1.
Immediately.
Kurt Busch.
Kozlowski, gonna win it all. Dark horse.
Dark horse number 2, Brad Kozlowski.
Brad's not even on the board.
Yeah, he's not even starting. My guy's starting place number 8. This is the start of the first lap. Starts right up there. So the way this works is that there's different stages that it goes through. So
number 2, number 8th place, baby.
my guy hopped up to 4th through the stage. So what the stage does though is it helps everyone group back together. So there's a little more competition. So if there's a big lead that one person has, it makes everyone else group together. So this is the second stage now, and my guy is in 4th place. So and my other guy is in 12th place. So I'm for number 1 and number 18. Nick, what are you for again?
Number 2, Brad Kozlowski.
Yes, sir. My uncle, clearly for number 9. Let's see what happens. So there are a total of 65 laps in this race. We're on lap 23. So far, my uncle's guy, Chase Elliott, had just passed my guy, Kurt Busch, who is coming around the corner right now. Right there. Monster Energy. Daytona, baby! Nick, any words for the people? Tell them what's good.
Brad Kozlowski, number 1, 35th lap of a 65 lap race. He's gonna win.
You heard it here first. Lap 35, Brad Kozlowski. It's gonna happen.
Let's go, Brad!
Second place, baby!
You and me, we're Chase Elliott, number 1.
Number 2, we're heading out right now. I'm number 1, but we're in place number 2. There's the wreck. There's the wreck. We're still over there.
past turn 6.
Oh, number 9! That's your boy!
Now is right on the tailgate bumper of Kurt Busch. As the race up in the Speedway 1.
He's number 1. I'm number 2. Woo!
Race leader, Chase Elliott. Pull away in the front of the field.
Come on, Brad!
Speedway turn 2, up the short turn up the hill. Back straight away.
Good race.
Breaking into the bus stop.
Good race.
The tires up just a bit.
Brad, 4th place. Let's go.
That race lead is Kurt Busch.
4th place. He's 4th place. I'm right now 2nd place. He's right now 1st place. This is insane. Stage number 3 is like going crazy right now. So right now we've just entered stage 3. There is a threat of thunderstorms. So they are having everyone step off to the side, and they're going to be taking a caution. So it's almost like it's like stage 4, but not really, because they're really grouping everyone up. And then I think they're just making them take like slow caution laps. But for now, I step off the side to go to the bathroom and get some more food. But yeah, we will see you in the next round. Oh, 100%. You ladies and gents are in for a treat. We're about to give a food review.
How much do you want? I mean, how much do you want?
I'm just gonna get one just to start off. We're gonna see how good it is, and then I might get another.
Jeremy, I'll get you one.
Okay. You want me to watch your stuff?
Yeah. Damn.
So this guy Nick over here, he straight just got us 3 hot dogs. He was thinking he was buying for the crowd, but turns out Uncle Warren's buying for me as well. So we're gonna end up with 5 hot dogs. We're gonna get a good food review here.
The more the merrier. Hopefully they're good hot dogs.
I don't think anyone's ever complained about more hot dogs. We're about to see the money shot right here. Ready for this? It's kind of hard to do one-handed.
I hate these itty bitty ketchups. I mean, mustard.
Mustards.
Why are they so little?
I don't know, it looks pretty good to me. The pork. Oh, baby. Daytona Speedway, doing it right. I hate shots of people eating, so I'm not gonna put this in there. I am finishing off my first of the hot dogs. Very good. Honestly, to be honest, I've had a couple beers. This tastes 10 out of 10 to me. Uncle Warren, what would you rate it? 1 through 10.
8.1.
8.1?
Yeah.
That's a fair review. What was the leading quality of it?
It tastes good.
Tastes good?
It's hot.
Hot. Fair. I would say I feel like the buns are toasted. They taste kind of toasted to me.
Oh, the bun tastes good.
Bun tastes good.
Yeah.
Nick, what would you give it 1 through 10?
Oh, 7.
7. Uncle Warren said an 8.5. I said it's straight up 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
But I said that's due to the beers.
Pretty good.
I think the beers kind of like adds a couple points automatically.
Burger plus Bud Light, I give it a 10. I'll take the combo.
So like as a not combo, you give it like a 7.1.
Yeah.
Or 7.0.
Yeah.
That's fair. Well, there's your review of the food at the Daytona International Speedway.
Power.
There was not a single drop of rain. So it looks like the thunder caution was not needed. Nick, what are your thoughts?
It was a hot dog break, not a thunderstorm break.
Bad news for the Busch brothers. It looks like Kyle is out for the race. It's just Kurt now. I still don't know what happened. I'm still trying to figure it out. Yeah, it does not look good for the Busch brothers. We are losing control. Even Uncle Warren's Elliot went in for a pit stop and lost a bunch of position. We'll have to see what happens towards the end, because this is gonna be a race towards the last lap. You love to see it. The Busch brothers are neck and neck. So Kyle, the Busch brother of Kurt, got in a wreck, and now there's a caution flag with 60 total laps, 65 laps to go. before this, my Uncle Warren's guy, Chase Elliott, had a 10-second lead. Now, as a result, they're all going to be clumped together for a grand finale finish. You love to see it. This is gonna be a close race. Uncle Warren, what are your thoughts?
Kyle Busch is an idiot. And that's the second time Kyle Busch has tried to mess up a win for Chase Elliott this year. And sooner or later, Kyle Busch will pay for it.
A historic day in NASCAR here at Daytona on the road course. It would be a win you would never forget. Who's going to get back to the line first? Final time through 13 and 14. Hamlin is there. All over the back end of Chase Elliott. It's going to be a drag race. Chase Elliott by a half a car length. Denny Hamlin right there will not be enough to cross the line. And Chase Elliott is
A little victory burnout from Elliott.
Somewhere in that crowd, fans, he's coming to you. Driver's side, to the fence, burning it down, Chase Elliott.
This is his burnout right here, baby. So it's the end of the race. Uncle Warren's boy won. Uncle Warren, any final words?
Chase was very dominant today, and he hit his lines just perfectly. And when they threw that, they had a bogus caution there at the end and tried to take it away from him. And you're still too good for him.
That
All he had to do is hit his lines and maintain. That's exactly what he did and won the race.
That's very true. Those Busch boys were out for Chase on this one. I thought they were gonna pull it out because one of the Busch brothers crashed to help his teammate out, but didn't pan out. But Chase had a very dominant race, held a 10-second lead the whole time. It's pretty insane, actually. So good race. We're about to go have a good burger, good time at the Daytona International Speedway.